Hello everyone, this is group number 13 and this is our Management Information System assignment. My name is Soroosh and my team members include Asif, Melissa, Saad, Omar and Uditha. Well, we choose option number 1, which is to explore and evaluate the eBay.com website. Now, we're going to look at the intro, which we're going to discuss during our presentation. As you can see here, these are the contents that we're going to talk about during the presentation. Now, I'm going to tell you some facts about the eBay.com company. eBay.com is a private online computer hardware and software retailer based in Howden, Yorkshire, United Kingdom, and it was founded in November 2000 in Sheffield with initial capital amount of £250,000. eBay.com is currently one of the largest internet resellers of brand name computer technology and consumer electronics products with wide range of over 19,000 electronic goods to be purchased online. These products range from computers and their components to LCD televisions and MP3 players to gaming consoles and mobile phones. Since establishment, eBay has registered over 3 million customers. And now, in these slides, you can see the eBay business models, which are included the aspects of infrastructure, customer, and finance. So now, I'm going to discuss about the eBay.com business model. A business model is a need to address internal factors that relate to the ongoing operation of the company. eBay.com philosophy is simple: give consumers and business what they want when they want it. eBay never stop improving their world-class operation by putting their customers and needs first. eBay.com always focus on helping customers save time and money. eBay aims to target clients' interests in purchasing technology and electronics speedily and effortlessly at affordable price. They have invested in building a website that allows them to securely manage their accounts without intervention. eBay is able to offer exclusive bargains to its shoppers, thanks to its strong relationship with some of the industry's largest vendors such as Hewlett-Packard, Sony, Microsoft, and Samsung. And now I'm going to discuss to see how eBay.com achieved the competitive advantage.
The eBay company uses information systems in order to achieve competitive advantage and maintain commercial relationships with clients and product manufacturers. eBay does so by using order tracking for consumers waiting for a delivery. They also allow customers to rate and review products on their website so that new prospective customers can see the opinions of other buyers. The website has designed several forums where eBay users can discuss various topics relating to the company, including computer hardware and software, gaming, and new products, for example. A website blog has also been established so that clients can stay updated with any business news or promotion, as well as enjoy fun games, quizzes, and surveys that are posted. On eBay.com, there is also a VAT button which is supplied to toggle the prices to include or exclude VAT. In addition, eBay uses a mailing list to send special promotion to repeat buyers so that they get more for their money. We will now discuss how eBay supports customers' decision-making in online transactions. When visiting eBay.com, customers can browse for products via the category tabs on the website or by using the search function and typing in a word or phrase of what they wish to find. When an individual decides that they wish to buy something and click the Purchases tab, recommended items will be shown that will complement the prospective purchases. Once individuals have finished shopping, they are asked to choose their preferred delivery speed and time and further proceed to the checkout. If they have an eBay account, all required information is already on file. However, new users must create an account to store their personal information, such as their name, address, and private password. They then carry out their payment by presenting card details and delivery addresses. eBay accepts all major credit cards and debit cards and also allows buyers to use PayPal if they have an existing account. To ensure that all security details and transactions are Safe, eBuyer UK Limited is committed to respecting privacy by having a privacy policy. In general, an internet user can visit eBuyer.com without having to disclose any information about himself or herself. Therefore, the company only recalls buyers' own details by using cookies as a convenience mechanism every time they purchase from the website, as opposed to using them to store private information. Information systems make the security of consumers' particulars possible so that only relevant departments of the company can access them to execute their purchases. eBuyer also provides a frequently asked questions, or FAQ page, to assist in answering any common queries that customers may have regarding products, orders, or their personal eBuyer accounts. Finally, eBuyer has developed an innovative information system so that patrons can contact staff conveniently with inquiries they may have. This scheme, which is an easier and faster alternative than email or telephone, is known as eNotes. eNotes allows consumers to post queries to employees, amend and cancel orders instantly, and ask questions about merchandise. It also organizes all of one's notes so that an individual can keep track of what he or she has said and any replies that may have been received. Here are the aspects on the eBuyer website that we have just discussed. And now we will move to discussing the data flow diagram.
The data flow diagram above explains the order of processes that a customer must go through to shop on eBuyer and then purchase merchandise. An individual visits eBuyer and will have the option to purchase a product after browsing. If he decides to buy an item, he is redirected to where two options are given: computer or general selections. If he decides not to buy anything, he will exit the web page straight away. For the shopper who wants to buy computer products, he is then offered three options: laptop, desktop, or server. If he chooses general products, he will see a vast range of categories including sound and vision, gaming, networking, office, etc. The customer will select his preferred choice of item, and once a decision to buy is made, the commodity will appear in his shopping basket. He can carry on shopping if he wishes to purchase more, and will then be redirected back to general product. However, if the user has finished shopping, he can proceed to checkout with his complete basket, paying using a debit card, credit card, or a PayPal account. And now we move on to entity relationship diagram.
The ER diagram shown here shows the graphical representation of the entities and the relationships between the entities within the information system of eBuyer. An entity is a person or an object such as a customer, eBuyer, payment type, etc. An attribute is a characteristic of an entity. A few examples of attributes in this case are date of birth and customers' names relating to the entity customer. The relationships shown in the interaction between the entities. The customer is related to his buyer, which shows all of his purchases. The buyer's website is connected to the customers because the site allows the customer to make purchases of his desired goods. The payment system is linked to the customer because the payment structure permits him to pay for his goods. All the relationships are one-to-many. If a customer purchases the goods from the sound and vision department, the information is held in the basket, and subsequently the customer makes the payment and proceeds to check.
Hi, and now we will discuss the SQL queries. This first screenshot shows the entities and attributes and the relationship with each other, and how they are. Screenshots show the few SQL queries we carried out. This particular screenshot of the website shows the query we carried out using the payment method, customer delivery address, and product ID. This query helps us to see if payment had been cleared to the product. So the product can be shipped to the address, and also product ID helps us identify the product ordered. The other two queries show relationship between customers and orders placed, and also customers and carried out. We will now discuss ways for the website to be improved.
Despite eBuyer.com being a very functional and proficient website, some aspects of its interface could be improved. For example, an advanced search button could be added next to the search bar for when a customer is looking for specific products with certain criteria. Another improvement that could be made is to use smaller product icons on the homepage. That way, a wider variety of items on sale can be shown to website visitors straight away. In addition, eBuyer could create a recent history area to show the latest pages that users have visited. That way, any searches that have been made can be accessed instantly. The company could also add a Join Your Team tab that is meant for prospective eBuyer employees to apply for jobs. Here, individuals could submit their CVs, check available job positions, and fill out online applications. eBuyer could also create a new form of payment. The business could offer a gift card scheme to encourage more purchasing from new customers. As you can see here, these are the improvements we wish to make on eBuyer. This slide shows a summary of our entire presentation and what we have discussed so far. In conclusion, we have realized that information systems are essential to eBuyer's success. It's been shown that customers have shown changing attitudes and increasing confidence towards the e-commerce world. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation, and we hope that you have thoroughly enjoyed it.